Brad Williams, XL Prime. We're going to find golf scores based on player. Case sensitivity, this is a index match, and then I'm going to throw XLOOKUP in here just so you can practice on this. I don't need to delve too deep into this. We have an F9 if you need it. We can just hit this, and we're going to see all kinds of different combinations, and then Control-Shift for older versions of Excel. Here we have the anatomy, and then we have the write-up. Read it if you need it. This is just a classic index match. The only difference is we have this exact. We want the exact, hence the case sensitivity. The mic has to match exactly. Notice the layout here. The exact has its format, so be sure to follow this format. Then we throw it into a true, lookup value true, and then lookup array. We could also put that 1 in there if we want. That's it. That's just a classic index match with an exact nested inside it. Here is XLOOKUP. The layout is almost identical. There are a few changes. Notice layout is a little bit different, but the theme is comparable to index match. We have this true, which is our lookup value. We have the lookup array. Well, there's the exact. Notice our return array. Well, that's the index part. Index is removed, C5, C14. NA is optional. You can put this match mode, which is going to be down here. Here is just the layout of the XLOOKUP. It's a compact version, a lot of horsepower here. These options, the match mode and the search mode, are helpful. You don't have to throw in a bunch of unnecessary stuff in order to accomplish the same thing. Mess around with it, play around with this match mode and search mode. Blow up this thing if you want and just reverse it. Brad Williams, XL Prime.